Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to generate product tags for your products in WooCommerce easily with AI. So all you got to do is go and install this StoreAgent plugin. It's StoreAgent.ai, and they have this StoreAgent content, which is actually in it's got a whole bunch of content features, and it's actually included on their Lite, which gives you 50 AI actions, and you can use it on as many sites as you want. So there's a plugin on WordPress.org that you can download, a whole bunch of description there if you want to read that. And then once you got it installed and connected your site, you'll see it start to add in these generate with AI buttons into your WordPress, into your WooCommerce product editor. So I'm just in here on a product, and to generate product tags, all I do is hit generate with AI, and away it goes off. And I haven't pasted any API keys, I haven't copied anything into ChatGPT or anything like that. It's just doing all this in the background, and it reduces it down to just having to click, and that's it. So that's how you generate tags using AI in your WooCommerce install, and you're going to save like a whole bunch of time doing this using StoreAgent.